Recently Preschem's posted a news article on active wood borer, which has generated a lot of interest and how to apply our products. So we've decided to do a little how-to video on a panel that we've got here today. The two products that we're going to show you how to use are the Clear Wood Preserver and the No Rot Gel, and we'll step you through how to apply these products. First step, you'd like to mark where the active borer located on the timber. There's two simple ways. You can either get a black pen and mark it just by putting a little circle around where you can actually see that they're active. The second one is to take a photo so that you can actually see where the borer are marked. The first product that we're going to step through is the No Rot Gel. Now this is a water-based product, so the best way for it to diffuse into the timber is to apply a gentle spray of water onto your timber. So just gently spray it, and as I said, this is going to help to diffuse into the timber to get to those borers. Okay, today we're just going to apply the No Rot Gel with a brush. So I'm just going to pour a little bit into a can here. Just make sure that the application is quite liberal, just to make sure that we actually get into those holes. Now, for the sake of the video, we're not going to go through the second coat, but what we do recommend is that you apply a second coat within 2 hours, just before the product dries on the timber, because if you allow the product to dry, it could become a little bit sticky. Now we're going to apply the Clear Wood Preserver. I've already pre-poured some into a tin here. Once again, we're just going to apply it with a brush. You can apply it in many forms, but just apply liberally again to the timber. Now this has to be applied to dry, clean timber. With both products, we do recommend that they be applied to raw timber. It just helps to absorb into the holes better. With the Clear Wood Preserver, you can actually inject, so I've got a small syringe here, you can actually inject directly into the holes, which I'll try and show you here if we can get a close up. You actually just insert the clear wood into the holes to make sure that it gets right in. Just in summary of showing you the wood borer panel, Preschem recommend Clear Wood Preserver over No Rot Gel. Both should be applied to clean raw timber to be most effective. The reason Preschem recommend Clear Wood Preserver is you have the added benefit that you can inject directly into the borer hole to get to the cause of the problem. Last point we'd like to make is you need to revisit the timber in 3 to 4 months. Refer back to the photo or the marks that you made of the active borer to see if the problem has been resolved, and you'll be able to tell that by if there's clear, clean white powder active or not. If you have that white powder, it means that unfortunately they're still active. What we would recommend is that you actually step back through the process of their first treatment.